Chapter 17. Get organized with Lean. One of the coolest parts of Lean is learning to get organized. When we have everything in the right place, it's easier and faster to find what we need, and that means less time wasted. At my company, we work hard to make sure every tool, every piece of equipment, and every space is neat and ready to use. Being organized isn't just about being tidy, it's about making life simpler and more enjoyable. Think of how much easier it is to do homework when your pencils, papers, and books are all where they should be. You don't waste time looking for stuff, and it feels good to have a clean space. We also use labels and make sure everything has a specific spot. If we know exactly where to put things back, we can stay organized without much effort. This makes working, learning, or creating way more fun because there's no mess in the way. Try it out. Pick one area, like your desk, backpack, or locker, and organize it so everything has its own spot. Label things if you can. See how much easier and quicker it is to get things done when you know exactly where everything is. It's like creating a system that works for you. The one thing. Lean helps you take charge of your future. When you get organized and make small improvements, you're setting yourself up for success. Lean gives you the power to make things better, step by step, which means you're in control of what's next. Win with Lean. Start making little changes to keep things neat and easy to find. You'll see that each improvement brings you closer to reaching your goals. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 17, we learned that Lean is about getting organized. When everything has a place, life becomes easier and more fun. Label your stuff, tidy up your space, and make little changes that help you find things faster. The neater your space, the smoother your day. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in Lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that Lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Now let's go to Chapter 18.